Hi there, students. To typify, to be a typical example of, to show all the stereotypical characteristics of something. Yeah, something that embodies all the characteristics that you would expect. A good example of. So, this loud, fast drum beat typifies the type of music he makes. It's a typical example of this. This is a painting that typifies Picasso's work. It's got all the characteristics you might expect from it. Something that embodies or exemplifies all the characteristics, all the stereotypes, all the things you might see. So his attitude typifies the feelings of young people today. It's a model, yeah? It's something that shows all the stereotypes. So, he typifies a hippie. He's got long hair, he's got day glow colours. This are all the typical things you might expect. A camper van with a peace sign on it. To typify, the captain of the ship typified all new recruits as incompetent. Yeah, so he decided that this is the stereotype and you can't expect someone else. To serve as a typical sample or a reference sample of something. Yeah, this flower typifies the flowers in this group of flowers. Yeah, it's typical of them. It's what you would expect. Something that shows all of the characteristics you would expect. He's tall, he's got blonde hair, he's got blue eyes, he's very athletic. Maybe he typifies a Scandinavian. Yeah, is characteristic of. His book typifies all the characteristics of his earlier works. Yeah, is the archetype, if you like. A typical example of a kind of thing. These mistakes typify the intermediate learner of English. I am agree, for example, or something like that. Okay, so to typify, to show an absolutely typical, an absolute, very stereotypical example of something. He is a hero who typifies courage and bravery. This arch typifies Norman architecture. The Rococo typify the Rococo parts on this building typify the type of architecture that was in vogue at that time. Vandalism and violence typify a football hooligan, perhaps. And then we've also got a noun, typification. Yeah, this is the typification of this kind of thing. Yeah, I hope maybe this video is a typification of the sort of video that I produce. Okay, so this word, how formal is it? I'd probably give it 5.5, 6. I think maybe 5.5. I think you could use it just about anywhere. A classical example, you might say, or a typical example, maybe a little bit more informal. And The origin, it comes from the word type, yeah, or type, typical, typically, typification, typify, to represent a type. So, here we go with the typical end of the video. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Oh yeah, to typify a regular verb as well.